Where are you going?
Alright, this is Blizzard 08, the first time we open our back door.
This is March. Keep in mind, March, the 7th or the 8th. Cars are buried. It comes up past the window. My car is under 2 feet of snow. Look how high the drifts are.
Jesus
Look where
Christ.
the plows went through. Their drifts are probably like 6 feet high.
Yeah. 6 or 7, that's over by the
Yeah.
other parking lot. So yeah, my hair's all fucked up. But to all of our friends in Florida who've never seen snow, like Rossdale.
That's the front door.
Yeah. There, do that again, I'm down. Yeah. That's the front door.
Like,
there's some snow right there.
it's cold.
Yeah, it's really fucking cold. Close the door.